Hey guys, Pivot13579 here. Today I'm going to show you how to yeah, how to how does it I'll show you how to make this freaking trap. I mean cannon. I will teach you how to make a TNT cannon for Minecraft 1.8. Yeah. Wait a second. Okay. So let's just get our place where we're going to do our cannon. Guess we'll go with here. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. And set. Okay. So first things first. I'll do this for me. That's all I can. First, you need obsidian, and redstone. Maybe bottom. Any kind of button. Water. And of course, TNT. Kind of a TNT cannon that doesn't have a TNT. Oh god, lag. Oh, lag! First, you gotta make how much distance you want. Like, want it just far away there. I just put obsidian down here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, down there. Another obsidian down. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, come on. Why am I always lagging? This always happen all the time. The freak. No, I don't care about it. So, yeah. So, let me just finish the cannon how you like it. Well, oh yeah, anyways, I can't just freaking. This camcorder sucks. Oh, oh. How am I going to upload this on YouTube when I'm freaking lagging? Let's just make it this far. Okay? Don't complain on me. I would really appreciate a non-complaining. Oh yeah, and I hope this thing helps to you too. Oh, I talk really bad. The freak are you doing in here? Stop watching me. I'm not teaching you. Freak, get out of here. Okay, so then I'll get. Oh, I forgot about the slab. Sorry. Yeah, about the slab. Put slab in here. Hopefully get that. And get your water. Yeah. So like that. Yeah. Put your TNT down here and put your TNT, your other TNT down here. Oh, come on. This thing freaking lags me every time. Yeah. Back to obsidian. Yeah, like that, like so. And I'm going to put one. Oh, come on. Every time. Put an obsidian here. Another obsidian here. Put your bottom here. Yes, sir, here. But you guys just pick where you're going to put the redstone for, where the cannon is going to be. Every time. But I won't just fly around. You like this? Oh yeah. I'm going to make that as the, yeah, for the cannon. Now in here for the launcher. I can't believe I'm lagging with that. Okay, so there we go. Wait, let me just glass, stained glass. A big stained glass, because it's just awesome. So that's like it. So first you're going to watch this thing first, then you gotta click that thing. Oh come on, this fails me every time I lag in the frick. Sorry on you, sorry YouTube. I'll take a repair on this. Obsidian, yeah, obsidian. I can't believe I forgot about this. Okay, gotcha. Now I'll take revenge on this thing. So yeah, TNT, TNT, TNT on that, and then hope this works. Hope this thing helps you guys. I'm sorry for the first thing that. No, don't lag me to death again. The freak! Sorry guys. Just lagging. Just lagging. I'm sorry. It's normal. Don't worry. It's normal. Lagging is normal because I'm on toggled Minecraft. Lagging. Lagging. I hate this computer because I'm on Windows 7. The frick. I don't know why we don't have Windows 8 on this laptop, because this laptop is old. It was made on 2014. If this works, please like and subscribe and comment down below what any complaints. That's it. Empty-handed. I can't believe. Look at this guy. I'm Alex. The frick. I'm a girl. But I'm truth is I'm a boy. Nothing there, then there. Okay, there we go. Okay, now watch this thing. When it throws, it will just explode. Did you hear that explosion? That is what I call awesomeness. So, I hope you just don't launch it when you think that the time will, that the launcher will explode now. Just launch the TNT so you can hit your target. Okay, see you guys. Bye.